Good morning, everybody. We are down here on the farm property, and for once out here, this is not going to be my project today. I'm actually down here helping Greg and his guys with Mowmentum with a project, and we've got a project, no doubt. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got really quick. All right, so here's what we got. We have got a failing culvert. So what this is, there's two 24-inch pipes down here stuck right together, and they're failing. What's happened here is, you can see this big hole. I actually hit it with my trailer this morning. The pipe there, these are 4-inch or 4-foot pipes, and there's 4 of them, so you got 16 feet all the way through, and they've separated right here. I caved all that in with the trailer tire this morning, but if I could show you, there's a gap that's that wide between both pipes where they're supposed to connect, and that has allowed the water to get through there and wash that whole thing out right there, and the whole thing's failing. So we're gonna rip all that out and put this RCP in here. Instead of the 24s, we're going back with 36. Now the question here is today whether we're gonna be able to pick these 8-foot sticks of 36 up with this guy right here. We do have the skid steer, which will pick them up, but we're hoping we can do it with this thing and get them down in the hole. So fingers crossed. I got everybody with, I got Evan, I got Greg's dad Ron. This is Ryan. He's one of the maintenance guys down here, or the land guy down here. He does all the food plots and everything. So yep, that's what we're going to be doing. Fun. So hopefully this will help with the erosion issue and also help with the flow through there and help that flow out a lot better going with these bigger pipes. So let's see if we can't pick them up. Ron's getting our gravel scraped off. We've got to find a cable line. The only utility we've got a very shallow telephone cable line, Ethernet line right through here somewhere we got to find. You should be able to see it, the old trench. I think that's it right here. It's gonna be somewhere right in here.
You think if we dug down any on this side it would help start that flow a little more?
Well, I was thinking about damming it. You guys can see, that's what I'm talking about. Pipe, totally separated. Whole thing's washing out. About to start digging this out here very shortly. So you can see what I'm talking about right here after Evan got it cleaned out. So there's the first 4-foot pipe right there, and then there's the second one, and it's just completely separated. And so now all the material from the driveway has washed out through there and just completely undermined this whole side right here. And it's the same thing on that side on both pipes, both sets of pipes. So we got to find, there's an Ethernet cable, we got to find it somewhere. All right, so I'm not sure what this is. Everything I was told by the owner was the only utility we had to worry about was this Ethernet cable, and we found it. We knew roughly where it was. It's not damaged. This looks like part of this old irrigation system that was out here, but I didn't think any of that was under pressure. It's so old, because there's broken lines everywhere around this whole area here for old irrigation. But that's got pressure. I'm not sure if Evan turned off anything up there at the street, because the house is on a well. I'm 99% sure of that.
So maybe we have to shut it off at the well.
It could be coming from the well. That could be coming from that well. But there was a house over here, so there could be a well system over there somewhere that we don't know about.
But it's slowing down.
I don't know, but you can see that was separated right here too. This old pipe, I didn't even know that had come apart. So we're gonna figure it out. We're not sure what that is at the moment. It's separated over here too. It's separated over here too. These pipes could be our issue. I'm wondering if this, you know, it wasn't leaking already. Maybe underneath there was undermining all that from underneath maybe. All right, so we don't have a pump, so Ron and I are bailing water right now with both the minis. Ron dug some little borrow pits right there and right over there, and so we've got coffer dams set up. I've just about got this hole dry in about 10 minutes or so. I mean, the water was all the way back up there to the dam, and in about 10 minutes I've already got it down to just this little puddle. Ron's got a little bit more water over there to deal with, but not a whole lot. He's making good progress, so we should have this dry enough to start putting in pipe here shortly. We're getting it with the U55, barely. But
Kubota power.
yeah. Lift your blade up. Lift the blade up. Blade up. There you go.
I want it to drag a little.
All right, in the hole she goes. You about at the edge right there. nice and easy.
Oh, dude!
Like a glove.
Slide that cable up to the blade.
You got it?
I'll come your way.
Come on over. That's all I got, man. You want to just unhook it? You'll just push it with that, or
Unhook it.
unhooking?
Yeah. We're gonna have to manipulate it from there, I guess.
Next time, let's put the cable inside.
You know, I was thinking, how about next time we put the cable inside?
I think it'll work better that way, don't you?
Look, here's my whole thought on it. If these get in here,
You
I'm
don't
happy.
care.
You're full of bright ideas today.
That's right.
Hey, around him, there's always a culvert.
Oh. There you go.
Line me up on the ditch, guys.
Okay.
You're gonna need to bring this side out a smidge and that one in. This out.
Yeah, you
that
gotta come
in.
out. Yeah. There you go.
Hold on. I'd take your.
Yeah, but you ought to be standing on that dirt pile.
Looking
beside
over
that.
there.
Yeah.
If you can't see behind you, in the center of that would be better.
All right. Pipe number 2 is on the way. Hey, Ron. Hey, are we turned the right way? Or is that thing aligned the right way?
Yeah. That needs to slide into the sleeve on the other one.
Okay. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Yep.
Yeah, we need to bail in that way.
Okay. Yeah. Yep. All right. Ron's gonna try to set pipe number 2 without turning the Kubota over. Come on, baby. Just get to the edge. Put that blade down. Yep, about as far as you're going, Ron. Whoa, go that way. Go that way. You're gonna hit the
Ethernet
yeah,
line
you're gonna hit the
right there.
Ethernet. There you go.
Man, it's gonna be hard as hell to get a twist on this thing. Ah,
You need your hand?
I need like 14 hands.
Hold on. I'm coming.
Give me just enough room to get the cable out.
Out a little more if you can.
Out.
A little more work.
Towards Davin, just out.
We got
Whoa. I mean, I'm give her a run, get.
We gotta get this pipe and that pipe.
Cable come out there.
Yeah, cable come out.
Yeah, it'll come out.